You know what I'm saying? Out here, my personal driver. Hurry, driver, I need to get to the gym. Just kidding, Mom. I'm just kidding. All right, this one is a water edition. I got 1 liter of water. We'll see how many liters of water it takes me to complete a full workout. Start with the stretch, yeah. Got the warm-up done. Water. Least favorite. It's my least favorite. But it's whatever. Encourage you to power through your workouts, but once you transition, feel free to take your time, get your rest in, let your body be like, yo, what the hell did you just put me through? And then once it starts picking on it, go ahead and start the next workout.